Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday, we discussed the possibility of Bitcoin forming a higher low around 114,400 and building strength for a move toward 115,700. That target aligns with a notable cluster of leveraged positions shown on our heat map. But instead of holding, Bitcoin dipped, and not just slightly. Price dropped all the way to 112,700. If you recall, my previous long position had an entry near 112,800. And after that, we reached the 115,700 level. Currently, price is struggling to stay above 113,500. If we dip further, I may consider closing that earlier entry near 113,000, as I prefer to avoid letting a recovered position slide back into negative territory. However, I still lean toward a potential reversal, especially considering historical August behavior that we've covered in another video. Looking at the 1-hour chart, Bitcoin is showing early signs of recovery after today's drop. A rounded bottom pattern developed near the low, lifting price back toward the 114,800 resistance. That zone was critical, but price faced rejection and is now consolidating below the exponential moving averages, signaling weak momentum. Multiple red dot signals from our trend tools have printed since, and price is hovering just under 113,700. This behavior suggests buyers may be losing steam. While the bounce was encouraging, it is not yet strong enough to confirm a shift in trend. Shifting to the 15-minute chart, the short-term bounce looks more defined. We had a clean reaction from the 112,700 level, followed by several EMA crossovers. But momentum is slowing. The RSI is declining, wave trend is starting to roll over, and price is now sliding under local moving averages. Signals are fading, and the market is entering a sideways range, a classic sign of indecision. On a broader scale, Bitcoin's recovery remains fragile. While the 15-minute chart shows a clear reaction, the 1-hour view still frames this as a relief move rather than a confirmed reversal. If buyers manage to hold above 114,800, the path toward 115,700 may reopen. However, if price slips under 113,000, we could revisit 112,000, or possibly even 111,000 if momentum fades entirely. As for the ETF data, net flows show an outflow of 196.2 million, with no inflows from major participants. Most remained inactive or sold. I'll keep you updated daily. For more frequent updates, join the free Discord. If you found value in this analysis, consider clicking the like button. Subscribe, it's totally free, and turn on notifications to stay informed. And see you in the next one.